There's nothing quite like a latte in the morning or an afternoon cappuccino to battle that midday slump. But it can be really difficult and time-consuming to froth milk perfectly at home. With our Electric Milk Frother, you can enjoy homemade cafe drinks with consistently frothed milk every time. It has 4 settings so you can get the precise froth and temperature for the drink you want. Use the high foam setting for macchiatos and cappuccinos, the low foam setting for lattes and cafe mochas, the warming only setting to make hot milk for coffee, espresso, or hot chocolate, and the cold foam setting for iced coffees and iced lattes. It's so easy to use. Just fill it up between the lines. I don't even need a measuring cup. Then press the scroll button to select your setting and press start. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you'll have perfectly frothed milk. I also love how quiet it is. I won't wake everyone up when I make my morning drink. It's so compact that it barely takes up any space. I love how it looks, so I keep mine right on my coffee bar. It also comes with a guide to help you get started right away. Plus, cleanup is easy because of the nonstick coating on the inside. The Electric Milk Frother is simple to use and will help you elevate your favorite drinks. Happy frothing!